the reason I want to be an aerospace engineer because I've always been fascinated with space and like how the space shuttles work and how like they take off and how they interact like in space, like how they're, because in space it's so much different than it is on Earth. So because like there's no atmosphere, gravity's a lot different. So experimenting with the different, yeah, cold too. That plays a big effect. And the fact that it's easier to accelerate. That's definitely
Like
thing.
much easier.
Yeah, because you've got no forces were acting on the plane because there's like, I mean that's not true. You do, but it's less compared to if you were like 1,000 feet above the ground.
Right.
As part of our learning center, when you mentioned it, I thought it was like really interesting that like um, it's not like the normal design challenge where like we were given like objectives and then you have to like build something. It was more like let's do the simulation part of it. I thought was really interesting because I've never done anything like with simulation or like because I'm not a big like gamer, so I thought it was really interesting when you mentioned it.
Cool.
Right now I'm thinking I want to be aerospace engineering major, so that is kind of that's why I think it's kind of cool to be able to do this kind of type of competition. And the main reason I want to do this is just because planes are cool, and I think it would be fun to just tool around with random things and see what happens.